So, probably the most often made mistake that I see in any custody battle is the parent talking negatively about the other parent in front of the children or where the children can hear. I've also seen it on social media happening, and the children have access to social media. The problem is that child is bonded to both parents if both parents have been involved in their life. And that child doesn't distinguish the parent's conflict from a conflict with them. And so you can really damage a child's mental health for a parent to talk negatively because a child doesn't always separate themselves from the other parent. And they love both parents. And when one parent speaks badly about the other, the child feels like they have to pick a side. And that's just not fair to them because they're not the ones that caused the divorce. They want to be loved by both parents, and they just want that security that both parents can provide, even though it may be in separate households. Another mistake I always see in a divorce case is that the parties don't document events that happen at the time that they're happening. And the problem with that is our memories are imperfect. And the way we remember certain events, even a day later, is much different than what occurred at the time. So if something is happening, I would highly suggest pulling out your phone and just doing a recording because those are going to be the best evidence that you can have in court. So a mistake I see with parents is they miss visitations or they don't show up for the exchange or they're just not present when the other parent shows up. And that is really bad for two different reasons. One, that child doesn't understand the stress that that missed possession period causes, and all they feel is the emotions from the parents. The other thing is it opens the offending party up to a contempt action in court where you can be fined, jailed, and have to pay attorney fees for the other party if that occurs. So just make sure that you're present at the time of the exchange and that you actually exercise everything that has been given to you. The best outcome for children in divorce is when their parents can co-parent effectively. And that is that their communication is clear and effective, and it's not just one side trying to win over the other. That they are actually cooperating with each other and making these decisions. And that is decisions on rules in household. It's easier for a child if they have the same rules in both households. The same routine at both households is much easier on the children as well. And the only way that that can occur is if the parents remove as much emotion as they can and that they actually are entering into a business relationship of raising these children once they're divorced or separated. If you are facing a custody battle and divorce, or if you're just separated from the other parent of your child, reach out to us at the Boswell Law Firm. We're here to help.